So you find yourself in a situation where you and your significant other have broken up. You moved out, but your ex is holding your personal property hostage. Or maybe they threw it out. Is this a police matter or a civil lawsuit? This is one of those most frustrating gray areas of law. If you call the police, they often call it a civil matter and walk away not helping in the slightest bit. So in this video, we're going to be discussing ways to deal with this type of situation and how to get your property back the right way. Hi, I'm Sina Mohajer with Mohajer Law Firm. We specialize in family law, estate planning, criminal defense, and personal injury. In these videos, I like to take common legal issues and try to simplify them so you have a better understanding of your legal rights. So if you like what you hear today, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you're always informed of any new videos being posted. And without further ado, I welcome you to our series called A Walk in the Park. So when should you get the police involved? Well, if you feel unsafe going back to retrieve your items, you can request a civil standby. Police will meet you at the residence for roughly 15 to 20 minutes in order to allow you to grab your essentials, such as clothing, medications, or even tools of your trade. But there are limitations. If there is any dispute whatsoever as to what is yours and what is theirs, the police will not get involved and will not let you take that item in dispute. So what happens if your ex keeps your property, or even worse, sells it or throws it away? Then they've committed the civil tort of conversion, which is civil theft. Step one to take is you send a formal demand letter, preferably from a law firm, listing the items and a deadline for its return. Step two, if they refuse, you file a lawsuit for the value of the items plus damages for the inconvenience. So legal tip, receipts and photos are going to be your best friend. Proving you bought the items makes the case much stronger and gives the court an easier time of giving you the award you're requesting. Now, property is handled differently depending if you were married or not. In a divorce proceeding, property is handled in family court. You can file an ex parte motion to force the return of exclusive use items, such as a vehicle or a laptop. But if you're unmarried, you are in civil court or small claims. The Marvin action, which is considered as palimony, might apply if you've lived together long-term and had agreements as well. Now, storage units have special rules and is a beast of its own. If your name isn't on the storage contract, you have no legal right to enter even if you call the police for a civil standby. You will need a court order, at which point you can request a civil standby to keep the peace as you enter the storage unit to gather your things. So what happens if your ex destroys your things? Well, one, you can sue for the replacement value of the destroyed items. In some cases, if the destruction was malicious, for example, the intentional burning of clothes, smashing electronics, you may be able to ask for punitive damages. That's extra damages to punish the other side for their behavior. And an attorney can help you bundle this into your restraining order or divorce petition if it's applicable. So another legal tip, and I've seen this before, don't retaliate. Stealing their dog or breaking their car window might feel good at the time, but it just gives them a case against you, and you don't want to be there. So to recap, your property rights don't disappear just because you broke up. Whether through a civil standby, a demand letter, or even a lawsuit, there are legal paths to retrieve your belongings. So if you find yourself in a similar situation and would like to speak to a seasoned attorney, I welcome you to contact us for a consultation. I'd be happy to sit with you to explore what options are available to you and the best strategy to take. And as I stated in the beginning, if you found the contents of this video to be helpful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you're always informed of any new videos being posted.